Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper Halloween pumpkin. So this is a very easy way of making a paper Halloween pumpkin and it's useful too. So as many of you guys know, Halloween is coming by in the month of October. So I've started to post Halloween crafts on my channel. So in this video, I thought of showing you guys a really easy tutorial of making a paper Halloween pumpkin. So this is a really cute Halloween pumpkin. So I've already posted a video in my channel about how to make a Halloween pumpkin, in which I did like a small ball. Then I just drew the face and top part for the pumpkin. But this time I thought of making an origami pumpkin, so I made this one. So if you guys haven't visited that video yet, you can go and visit that. So this is a really cute pumpkin and you can do any decoration to it as you wish. You can make it scary, cute or anything, and you can keep it as a Halloween decoration, and you can make like many of these pumpkins like this, and you can just tie them with thread and you can hang it as a wall decor as well. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a Halloween pumpkin bag as well, so you guys can also visit that for trick-or-treating. So without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really easy, cute Halloween pumpkin. So this is a 5 material craft, so we only need 5 materials for this craft, which are a square piece of paper, a scissor, a green marker. So if you guys want, you can even take sketch pen or anything, but I'm taking green marker. Then we're also going to be needing a black sketch pen and some tape. So out of these 5 materials, tape is not compulsory, but at the last, the behind some parts will be coming off. So in order to stick them together, you can use tape. So I'm going to keep everything aside and I'm going to take the paper at first, and we're going to be starting off. So the first step is that we're going to be folding this piece of paper in half, gently like this. So now I'm just going to be taking this piece and I'm going to be folding it in half one more time. So the next step is that we're going to be supposed to insert our hand inside and we're supposed to press it and do it like this. So we'll be having like a triangular shape over here. So it'll be a square and a triangle connected together. And so we're going to be turning the paper to the opposite side right now, and we're going to be repeating the same step on this side of the paper as well. So I'm going to be pressing it. So now we'll be having like a cute triangular part. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're going to be taking this part over here and we're going to be folding this in half. So now I'm taking this part and I'm going to be folding it in half one more time like this. So we're only supposed to do this in one side of the paper. Do not do it in both the sides. Now I'm going to be turning this paper to the opposite side, and as you see, we'll be having 2 uprootings over here. And I'm just going to be folding them to the top part like this over here. So after we complete this, I'm going to be taking this part and I'm going to be folding it to this part over here, so this bottom line, and we're going to be doing the same step on this side of the paper as well. So we're going to be folding it to this bottom line so that we'll be having like a small triangle formed over here. Now as you see, we're going to be taking this top part and we're going to be folding it. So as you see, you won't be able to fold it too much, we'll be only able to fold it like a little bit over here. So we have to fold it until this part touches this small diamond over here. So after that, we're going to be folding this part over here and we're going to be doing it to the top like this. So now we just have to fold this back and fold it like this. So we just have to open it. Then you have to fold it a little bit like this. So after we complete this, we're going to be taking this bottom part and we're going to be folding it so that in such a way that it touches this line like this. So if you guys want to make it more sharper at the edges, you could take this and as you see like a small inserting point over here, you can insert it inside this, but it will be better if you do not insert it inside, because if you do it, it will be too sharp and won't be looking nice. So now we're supposed to be folding it over here, and now we're going to be opening this and we're going to be folding it to the half of this point that we folded so far like this. So now as we turn, a pumpkin will be almost in the shape. So next step is that we're just going to be doing blank tape and sticking it over here. So as you see, the back part will be like having too much points and too much folding. So if by mistake any foldings comes off, then the pumpkin will be a mess. So I'm going to be turning it and I'm going to be taking some tape and sticking it. If you guys want, you can take a big packaging tape to stick it, because if you use small tape, it will be taking some time to stick each and every part. You cannot use gum for this or any type of Fevicol because it won't stick properly, because you have to stick it on the top. So I'm just going to be sticking it like this over here, and I'm also going to be taking another piece. So if you guys want to leave it as it is, if you do not have tape, it's fine. But if you turn to the back, it won't be looking that good. So that's why we're sticking tape to it. So I'm just going to cutting it into 2 little pieces over here. And I'm going to be sticking this part over here like this. And I'm going to be sticking this part over here at the bottom. So now I'm going to be cutting off its remaining pieces like this. So actually even scissors are not necessary because I'm only using scissors to fold the parts. So if you guys want, this is actually only a easy craft, and you can even do it with 1 or 2 materials. That's not compulsory. And if you do not do the decoration, if only paper is enough, you can do it in any place you are at. So now we've completed doing this. So as you see, our pumpkin will be ready at the front and it's cute looking. So I'm just going to be doing a little bit cuttings at the back part over here. So I'm just going to be cutting this over here and doing some cuts here so that it looks nice on both the sides. So this is not a compulsory step. If you guys want, you could cut it over here. So I'm just going to be cutting it at the top too to get the perfect shape like this. So after a few cuts, our pumpkin's looking good. So now if you have like a green paper, you could stick at the top over here. But I felt like using a green marker will be much easier. So that's why I'm going to be applying this marker. I'm going to apply some pressure and I'm going to be coloring it like this. So if you want, as I said, you can even use green color paper to stick it. So now you've completed it. So I'm using really dark green. If you guys want, you can even use light green to show it. So as you see, the color is very dark. So the next important step is decoration. So Halloween pumpkins should be decorated to give them some nice looking looks. So for this one, as you see, I just made like a triangular eyes for this one, and I also made like a smiley mouth with a triangle nose. So you can repeat the same design if you want, or I'll show a different design here as well. So I'm just going to be drawing 2 ovals. So I'm keeping these 2 as eyes, and the mouth will be over here. So I'm going to be drawing a big oval like this on both the sides for the eyes. So once we complete this, since it's our own pumpkin, we can decorate it in any way we like. I'm going to be drawing eyelashes for this one as well. Because even does not look nice, it's your pumpkin, you can decorate it in any way you like. And it doesn't have to be like this. If you have any other creative ideas, you can even do that. And you can also comment down the ideas you have. And you can also post a picture about the pumpkin you made in your channel. So I'm just going to be drawing a big smiley over here at the bottom. So our eyes are complete. I'm just making it simple. So now I'm not going to be leaving the smiley like as it is. I'm just going to be doing some decoration to the smileys. So I thought of just drawing some small triangles on the bottom part of the smiley like this. So it'll be looking like a creepy looking smiley. If you guys want, you can extend the smiley like this and you can draw this. So I'm going to be extending a little bit and I'm going to be drawing it. So I'm going to be connecting this line like this to make it more creepy and it looks cute in this way like this as well. So for the nose, I just thought of drawing a small triangle like the one I did before. If you want, you can do like a circle or anything. So if you want to make your pumpkin waterproof, you could just use some tape and stick it all over it, so that will be waterproof. And if you apply water in it, it won't get spoiled and it won't get all watery. So one more thing is that if you want, you can just put like a small hole at the top or over here, and you can just stick 2 pumpkins like this, and you can just put them in a thread and hang it as your wall decor. It will be really cute. You can hang it outside your door, and you can even write like your name on the back. So there's a lot of space. If you want, you can gift it to your friends and family members. You could write their name and any note or anything small over here, and you can gift it. So one more thing is that there is a little point for writing a note. So if you haven't applied tape, as you see, there's a diamond over here. You can lift this part, and if you have any notes, you can put that inside, and you can stick it. That's also a really good greeting card gift idea as well. So after we complete this, our really easy paper pumpkin is ready. So decorate it in any way you like and gift it to your friends and family members, and you can celebrate Halloween in a really happy way by doing more Halloween decor ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. If you have any ideas about what I should post on my channel, you can definitely comment that in the comment box below. I'll see your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. You can also comment down if you have any doubts in my videos. So if you want more Halloween crafts, you can comment that below. So that's all. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!